Hi friends, welcome back in channel SciTech. Finally friends, I'm back with the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the Asus ROG Phone 3 versus the Realme GT device. So this is going to be really very interesting friends, because this is my first time doing side-by-side comparison between both phones. Let's see which phone will be able to open the games faster and how many games and applications can be there in the background RAM management. That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. And the variants which I'm trying to use is the 8GB RAM variant and 128GB model Asus ROG Phone 3, and same thing for the Realme GT as well, 8GB and 128GB variant. Let's see friends, this is going to be another epic kind of comparisons, because Snapdragon 888 chipset versus Snapdragon 865 plus chipset from the last year. So this is the last year powerful chipset, and this is the latest 2021's powerful chipset. And let's see, things are going to be really very interesting between these both phones. So first let's do the as usual reboot test between these both devices in terms of the restart at same time. And during this process I'll try to use the X mode. So I'll try to use the X mode, and I'll try to use the gain space mode as well. So GT mode, which is also present in the GT. So using GT mode and using X mode and using the gain space and everything, I'll try to compare between both phones. So in this way we'll be able to get to know the real potential between these both phones, how much it is. So in the reboot test, the ROG Phone 3 got successfully restarted, and you can see the connectivity as well. I did connect to the Wi-Fi connection 2.4 gigahertz exactly. So same, both are completely same 2.4 gigahertz itself. Now I need to clear everything from the background applications. All the background applications and all the RAM management is completely clean in both phones. You can see. So there is no background applications running at this moment in the both devices. So now I need to turn on the X mode, which is present in this in both phones. I'm in GT mode in this phone. Let me turn on the X. I think X mode is completely on right now, as you can see clearly. X mode is on, and the GT mode I need to turn on. Let's search for GT mode. Yes. Right now, as you can see, with the GT mode enable and with the X mode enable, so here comes the challenge. Let's see how much difference the both phones gonna make. 1, 2, and 3. Not bad. And next is Amazon application. So both are loading at same pace. You can see the loading speed. So not a huge difference in the loading speed. In the Flipkart, the Realme GT was able to open a little bit kind of faster and smooth, I think, but not bad. So both are kind of pretty close to each other in terms of the opening the Flipkart. And speed test, I'm connecting to the same Wi-Fi network only, same 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. So connecting to the same Wi-Fi network at same time, now you can actually see the difference, what is happening in the Wi-Fi speeds. I just want to keep this in the background as a RAM management only friends. I'm not going to judge these both phones based upon this Wi-Fi speeds. So don't worry, just to keep in the background RAM management only I'm trying to do. And Realme GT was able to finish the upload speeds, and ROG Phone 3, it's still trying to get that kind of signal. So doing both at same time, that's the reason maybe the ROG Phone 3 did not get that kind of signals, I think so. But anyways, I'll try to keep this in the background RAM management. Okay, that's the main purpose of me doing this kind of comparison. And next, let me try to open some other game. I'll try to open this game in the background RAM management. And now the game starts. So Asphalt 9. So let me just slightly zoom in. So here come the interesting things will be there. So 1, 2, and 3. Boom. And we should be able to see the X mode from this phone is working, and even the GT mode and gain space is working from this side as well. So here we go. The winner, clear winner is in terms of opening Asphalt 9 game. 1, 2, 3. ROG Phone 3 did open the first Asphalt 9 game, then the Realme GT device. So as I said, in case if your main purpose is for the gaming, wow, the gamers will love this ROG Phone 3. That's I can definitely guarantee that, because there are tons of features which are actually packed especially for the gamers. So keeping them in point of view, right now the Battlegrounds mobile game was loading slightly kind of faster. First in the ROG Phone 3. Wow. So these are tests using with the GT mode and using with the X mode as well. And let's go to the home page. Next is a temple, I think Call of Duty. Let's do the Call of Duty game 1, 2, and 3. And if you want me to compare any other topics between these both phones, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll try to do this kind of comparisons as soon as possible in my channel. So you know what, Call of Duty actually supports the ultra FPS. Yes, I'll try to make the video, so don't worry about that. As soon as possible I'll try to upload that video as well. And first, the Realme GT did open the Call of Duty game. That's not bad, the Realme GT. See, don't underestimate the Realme GT by looking at its size. I mean, in terms of the small screen, don't underestimate this small chota one. So it's really powerful in this small phone. It's really good. So this much of new powerful chipset, and both phones are slightly kind of opening, not bad. Next is a Subway Surf. Subway Surf first phone to open is Realme GT. Realme GT did open the Subway Surf game first. So this is a quick speed test comparison between these both phones. So in the speed test, we got to know that sometimes the ROG Phone 3 is the winner, sometimes the Realme GT is the winner. So it's kind of a draw match between these both phones. But the Asphalt 9 game, Battlegrounds mobile game, Call of Duty game, I think only Asphalt 9 and the Battlegrounds mobile game did open faster, and the Call of Duty game and Subway Surf opened faster slightly in the Realme GT. Now it's time to check the real thing, which is a RAM management. Which UI is right now optimized for more apps and games in the background RAM management. Let's come from the backwards. So yes, and the Call of Duty. So Call of Duty game got closed. So as I said, as you can see, so whenever I try to use this kind of X mode or Game Genie, what happens is that it will definitely try to clear the background data. Yes, maybe that might be the reason why the Call of Duty game is not there in the background. So it's kind of really very aggressive in terms of clearing the background complete data. So that's the one thing you should definitely note down. And let's open the Asphalt 9 game, and it's the Asphalt 9 game. I think of Battlegrounds mobile game, not the Asphalt 9 game, Battlegrounds mobile game. You can see the Battlegrounds mobile game logo in both phones, 1, 2 and 3. So not bad. So Battlegrounds mobile game is there in the background RAM management. So Call of Duty game is not there. So next is Asphalt 9 now. Yes, Asphalt 9. You can see the Asphalt 9 game, 1, 2 and 3. Boom. So both phones did close the Asphalt 9 game. So both they did not have in the background RAM management, this kind of thing. And next part is about the Play Store. No problem. Play Store did open slightly kind of faster. Next is a speed test application. Speed test, I did do the speed test, right? You can see the results clearly. Okay, you can see the results exactly as it is. So now let me try to tap on the results, 1, 2 and 3. Boom. So both got reloaded. Okay, they are not there in the background RAM management. Next is a Flipkart. Also I did load the page and phone, it's there. And Amazon, that phone is gone. I did open the iQOO Z5 or Z3, I think so. That page is not there anymore. And next is a Google Chrome. Both phones are kind of taking again to load. So overall, in terms of the speed test, both phones are slightly kind of close to each other. In the RAM management test, the Realme GT was able to open this Call of Duty game, and in the ROG 3 phone, the Call of Duty game was not there in the background RAM management, but right now it's there. So that's the kind of thing. So ROG phone is very aggressive in terms of the clearing all the background data if you try to use the game, X mode and the Game Genie mode. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. This is a quick comparison between both phones, and definitely this will give a lot of tough competition even with the Snapdragon 888 processor as well. That's kind of it's good to see in this kind of phone, power gamers phone. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video and straight for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.